How to log out or remove your Samsung account on Android. This tutorial shows you how to sign out of your Samsung account on your Android device. After that, look at the very top of the settings page and tap on your name to open your Samsung account settings. From there, you'll see different options, including profile info, your devices, and Samsung Cloud. At this point, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and tap on Sign Out. In the next step, you'll be taken to a new page with an option to keep your contacts and profile. Tap on Keep Profile if you want to retain that information after signing out. Following this, you'll see a warning message letting you know that after signing out, you will no longer be able to back up or sync your data to Samsung Cloud. Once done, you'll also be informed that Find My Mobile will no longer work, meaning you won't be able to locate your phone or protect its data if it goes missing. From here, you'll also be notified that Samsung Pass will stop working after signing out. Finally, if you're okay with all of these limitations, tap on Sign Out to confirm, and your Samsung account will be successfully removed from your device. And that's it! If this Samsung guide helped you sign out of your Samsung account, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.